Hey everyone, welcome back to Rise and Slay. My name is Ala and I put up a new video every Monday where I just get a bunch of things done to get you guys motivated. Today's video is going to be a get it all done. I figured I would mix it up and just do my usual chores while recording it for you guys for some motivation. Today I will be cooking, I will be cleaning, doing laundry, folding and putting the clothes away, and at the end I'm also squeezing a little bit of mommy pampering. And of course, as usual, I'm starting with a cup of coffee, or more like a dessert the way I made it today. Occasionally I'll make it this way. I'm getting right into the to-do list, and even if I don't get to all of it today, I have the next day to work on it. I had a pretty busy last couple of weeks with a birthday party to help out with and attend, family gatherings, and also surgery in the family, which left me with no help around the house or taking care of my daughter. And on top of that, having to do extra chores like mowing the grass and helping Cody recover as he healed with anything he needed. So you can say I literally have been getting it all done lately around here. Because of this, my routine and days have been affected, but that is life and we are getting through this. Anyways, the laundry folding was super backed up due to this, but no worries, we will get to it and get it all done. So as you can see, after throwing in a load, I'm getting right into the cleaning, starting with the kitchen right after breakfast, just cleaning up that mess. I'm planning to do part of the weekly cleaning today to give that cleaning motivation, but I'm planning to finish the floors tomorrow, so I'm not doing the complete house, just because I feel like breaking up the cleaning and the chores has been much easier to manage for me lately because I am practically doing everything around here lately. Another chore that has been added to my list of responsibilities is to take out the garbage as well, but I am not complaining. I am just super happy and thankful that Cody is healing really well from the surgery and everything went really well. I went grocery shopping the day before, and after shopping, I like to lay out all the groceries on the dining table before putting it all away. So the table needed a wipe down, and yes, I added a new plant into my home. I can't stop for some reason and can't get enough of greenery. One day I will have a dream garden and maybe I'll stop then. So one of the things on my to-do list of cleaning today was the bathrooms. I'm starting with the shower. I can't seem to get the watermarks out no matter what I try cleaning it with. And I heard that the magic eraser works really well, so I'm trying that out, and surprisingly it worked really well, and I am in love. This will be my new way of cleaning the shower. The results were amazing. They were the best I've ever had so far. So usually I like cooking from scratch, but when I'm cleaning and having a busy day, dinner is usually more simple than usual. My daughter and Cody are both on the picky eaters side, so sometimes I have to go with a not so healthy route just so that they actually eat their food. So this day I made some pulled chicken barbecue and mac and cheese, which they both absolutely love. I also made the dressing for the coleslaw, and that was our dinner. This is sort of like the restaurant style. I forgot what the name of the restaurant is, but they serve mac and cheese, coleslaw, and pulled pork. So this is where the idea came from. Anyways, I believe you just gotta have those easy meal days once in a while for mama's sake, just to have an easier day overall. Because cooking just takes so much time, so much energy, and then so much dishes. Just gotta have that easy dinner day. After dinner, my tummy was super full, and I got the food tires, so folding the massive pile of laundry that was so backed up was the perfect job afterwards, because you just get to sit down, relax, fold, and let the food digest. It took me quite a long time to fold all of this pile of clothes that has accumulated over the week.
When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
This is the time that I like to listen to something on my phone, like a helpful podcast or the Reading Bible app, or a sermon or something motivational. Lately, I've been listening to a couple of YouTube creator podcasts. They have YouTube creators that actually go on the show and share their advice and experiences, and it's just really nice to hear other people's advice and their experiences. If any of you listen to some awesome podcasts, I'd love to hear about it. I would love it if you would share in the comments what's your favorite podcast and a little bit about it. My interests are super broad. I love to learn and just be informed. So I'd love it if you would share your favorite podcast below. I would love to find a podcast that's super inspiring, positive, and motivational. So if you know some podcast that is like that, I would love it if you would help me out here. We all need a little bit of positivity in our lives, don't we? One podcast that I've been listening to forever that I really enjoy is called The Side Hustle School. I've been listening to it forever, and it's just about random, just regular people that start little side hustles, and then somehow these side hustles explode and they become super successful. And it's just really interesting to hear all these different ideas that you would never think will be a success, but in the end, they are.
You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So after the folding sesh, the sun was going down, and I love catching the sunset and going outdoors to watch a set with my daughter. It's actually really healthy to do that because it helps your body release melatonin, and in return, it helps you to fall asleep quicker later on at the night. I made some tea and I started my much-deserved little pamper time. As moms, we need to remember to fill our own cups to then be able to be better moms overall. There's just something about pampering yourself that rejuvenates me and just gives me so much energy in return. I just love it. I hope this video encourages you not to only take care of the house and everything and everyone around you, but also to take care of yourself, because you are also part of this amazing world and each and every one of you matter.